Hey guys, today this one means something. Guy asked me recently, how the hell did you get you through your divorce after I was cheated on and drank and hurt everybody? If I tell you the truth, it was not a graceful thing. It wasn't quickly, wasn't easy, wasn't gracefully. Wasn't one thing that I just did that changed everything. There's no secret. For a long time, I spent years replaying everything, the arguments, her infidelity, my alcohol, me treating my kids bad, the things I wished I had said, all the shit I wish I had done differently. And the hardest part for me, really realizing that the future I thought I was going to have after, never going to happen. Because I wasn't doing the work. For many of us, it's also losing the part of yourself where you see you have a good future. Your retirement, the vacation, the growing old together, sitting on a beach, having a glass of wine, having a routine. The life you were counting on, dreamed of your entire life is gone. Feels like somebody died. Somebody did die, really. How do you get through it? Jesus. First thing that I had to accept, which took me 10 years, I couldn't accept it. I can't negotiate with the past. I had replayed it enough times and it was beating the shit out of me. I wasn't going to get a different outcome. Can't force somebody else to feel differently, especially after I abused her for all those years. I had to face what was over. That acceptance took me over 9 years. Second thing I did, I started making changes, real changes in myself. Not because I was trying to win somebody back. Fuck that. I didn't want revenge. Wasn't proving nothing to nobody. I finally started to work on myself because I realized this one simple truth. My life, my choices, my responsibility. I started focusing on me first, my health. I started walking, started losing weight. I started writing down, creating goals. Creating a future had nothing to do with anybody else. Nobody's saving me. And that changed my freaking life. Third thing, understanding that healing isn't forgetting. People think you stop thinking about it. You never forget it. Absolutely false. But it does mean it stops controlling your life. You still remember. You still have scars. But eventually, those memories stop punching you in the teeth. Every time they show up, you're just able to deal with them better. Today, the guys I coach, I tell them, first thing, don't make your entire life about the divorce. Build something bigger than that pain. Get your health going first. Fix it. Get your money together, get your money right. Find a freaking purpose outside of that. Get some goals. Find something worth chasing for you. Eventually, your future can become bigger than your past if you work on it. And that's when the real healing starts. If you're serious about rebuilding your life and want somebody to walk along next side of you, reach out to me, erichobaugh@gmail.com. It's down in the bio. I do some one-on-one coaching or some lower cost one-on-one check-in phone calls. I've helped a lot of people. I'm proud of that. Maybe I can help you. If you're starting over like me, please type I'm in so I know you're doing it with me. Hope you guys got something out of this video. Thank you for helping me growing my channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.